And Jabril Mace is back in the game at running back. That's good to see that he did not really miss any time.
I'd like a pass here on first down. Just mix it up a little bit.
And they are going to go pass on first down. Stony Brook sends 3. Mace was over the middle, but it's knocked down.
Yeah.
Good play to get a hand on it by Daishir Clary, who's had himself a very nice day.
That'll bring up second down and 10.
McQuaid 11 for 20 today, 187 yards. The Cats 168 yards on the ground. Jabril Mace remains in. McQuaid will pass. Stony Brook sends 3. They drop it off to McQuaid. Tries to make a man miss. He does across midfield. And it's going to get to the 48-yard line. Should be 3rd and about 4. After that nice pickup by Jabril Mace on the check down.
So now once again, if Coach Ferrani went for it with 7 minutes to go, he's certainly going to go for it with 5. So it's 2 downs here to pick up 4 yards. And it's going to be Isaiah Ragland in at running back.
3rd and 4. Can probably go run or pass here if you're Villanova and offensive coordinator Chris Bowden.
They've had some success with the RPO and McQuaid keeping it.
4 receivers for the Wildcats. Ragland in at running back. And McQuaid's going to pass. Extra men on the rush. McQuaid can't shake it. It's Clary again with the sack.
Yeah, he's been a menace all game long. He's been in the backfield, seems like every play. And now it's 4th and a ton.
It's his 2nd sack today for Clary. He's got 3.5 tackles for loss. And Villanova will keep the offense on the field.
Just didn't. Slow developing play. Look like he want to go to the screen again to Ragland. Screen game has not been there today.
4th and 10, under 4.5 to play in the final quarter.
And if you're Stony Brook here, you cannot commit a defensive penalty.
Wildcats need to pick up the first.
Make them earn it.
4 on the rush. McQuaid fires, diving catch for the first down, Lucas Kopecki.
What a play by Kopecki. He had a drop earlier in the game, but you go back to your 6th-year senior, and he makes a huge conversion on 4th down to give the Wildcats an opportunity here with 3:55 and counting.
Kopecki previously played lacrosse at Villanova.
Yeah, 4 years of lacrosse, and now his 2nd year on the football program.
Has a reception in 21 straight games. That's the longest streak by a Wildcats receiver since Poppy Livers did it 29 straight from 2012 to 14. And he just had his biggest catch of the day. And they're going to go to Ragland. Ragland tries to shake to the outside. He stays up. Ragland, what a run, spins, and that's going to be a first down for Isaiah Ragland.
What 2nd and 3rd effort by the young running back. He just wouldn't give up on the
4th, 5th.
He wouldn't give up on the play. Now the Wildcats have the ball inside the 25. Here it is. He looks like they got him for a 4-yard loss. He spins out of 1, then he makes contact here, spins again, and then gets it all the way down to the 21.5-yard line.
Coming up on 3 minutes to go. Now all of a sudden, Stony Brook might have to start thinking about the clock and timeouts.
Now Wildcats down by 4. Field goal does them no good here.
Ragland still in the game at running back. 4 receivers. And back goes McQuaid. He's going to go for it all. Going to the end zone. Far side, leaping catch. Hauled in. Touchdown, Luke Colella.
What a catch and throw. What a play by Colella. They had one-on-one coverage. Throw the ball to the pylon, and Colella goes up and grabs it.
A 21-yard catch for Colella. His 2nd touchdown of the day. And the Wildcats have retaken the lead.